These Nike sneakers are a good investment, a good buy. I think the price is going to continue to rise up. They've already gone up in price, especially in the bigger sizes, and I think it's going to continue to go up. These are going to be a grail one day. These are fire, straight fire. Brand new giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away a pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms in the winter size. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Travis Scott Black Phantom Jordan 1 Low. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof on Instagram that you guys did everything. Good luck on this free giveaway for a pair of Black Phantoms. This giveaway ends at the end of February. So in March, the beginning of March, I'll be announcing the winner. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Black Phantom Travis Scotts. I give away sneakers here every month on the channel, so if you guys are new here, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, join the Moore family. And I want to give back even more. I have a great idea. I want to start a company, a clothing company. I'm thinking about either doing t-shirts or socks. So if I decide to go the sock route, which I'm leaning towards, I want your guys' support in that. So please leave a comment down below and make sure you guys DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and let me know if you guys want me to start selling some socks. They'll be very affordable, high quality, good quality socks. Socks, sneakerheads use each and every day, right? We have to wear socks with our sneakers, so I feel like it only makes sense to start selling you guys some socks, get into the sock business. Hey, I wear socks, I'm a fan of socks, I put socks on every day. It's the first thing, one of the first things I do when I wake up. I wear socks all day. I hate not wearing socks. I'm wearing socks right now in the apartment doing this video, so I always wear socks. So I'm thinking about starting a sock company, and I need you guys supporting it. And when I do this, if I decide to do this, I want to give back even more, right? So I want to give back sneakers to those of you guys, some of you guys that purchase socks. It allows me more revenue to come in and allows me to give back to you guys even more. The more I make, the more I can give back, right? I've always done a giveaway here on the channel every month. Well, I want to step it up a notch and do it more. If you guys would support me in creating a sock company, please leave a comment down below and follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369 if you don't already, and DM me and let me know, hey Danny, I would definitely love to buy some socks. That would be amazing. I want to see your guys support in that. So, right here we have a pair of Nike sneakers. I'm telling you guys, these are on the rise right now, especially in bigger sizes. They've already gone up in price, and in my opinion, they're not really done yet. I think it will settle maybe at a few more dollars. They'll go up maybe another $100, and I think they'll settle around there for some time and then just skyrocket up. This is going to be a grail. This is going to be one of those sneakers that down the line, years down the line, people look back on and realize, damn, how come I didn't cop them when they were like $500-600? Why did I wait? Why did I wait for them to become over $1,000? Because I think that's what's going to happen to this pair of Nike SBs. You see we have the rainbow box. I'm a huge fan of the box. Let's get into this. Right here we have a grail for me personally right now. These were a must, an absolute must. And I think the price is going to continue to skyrocket. These are so nice, man. So beautiful. I love them. I really do. I needed one of them in the collection, in the set, and finally it's about time I did, because the others have skyrocketed, and I think these are going to continue. They're already on the rise, the Orange Lobster Nike SBs, and I think they're going to continue to skyrocket in price. I don't think they're done, guys. I think the prices are continuously going to go up. Down the line, we will see these become over $1,000, especially in the bigger sizes. Easily over $1,000 in the bigger sizes. Take a look at any other Lobster Nike SB. They're all over $1,000, right? Well, it's only a matter of time before the orange gets to that price. So here's what I think is going to happen. I think we'll see another price increase as they're on the rise right now. After that shock drop too on Sneakers app, mind you that, they're still going up. There's no price decrease after that drop, which is crazy. But After the shock drop, still happening. They're still going up. So I think they're not done. Bigger sizes, we'll see another price increase. Smaller sizes aren't like less than 500, which is crazy to me. Some sizes are at like 450. Crazy. I definitely see those going up as well. Bigger sizes might be the move, the better investment. I think it's just a no-brainer if you ask me. At this point for this one, it's like a no-brainer if you ask me. These are inevitably going up in price. Inevitably. It's only a matter of time before they continue to go up more. Now, they are on the rise now, and I think it's going to continue, like I said, a little bit more, and just go up from that point. A Grail, Nike SB, they're simply not done. This is the Orange Lobster Nike SB, one of the best SBs to release in quite some time, if you ask me. I absolutely love the Orange Lobs. The Lobsters were always a must-have for me, but something not really obtainable because the prices always went up way too fast for me to ever go and buy them. I didn't want to spend $500-600, and I regret it. So now that these are at that price point, I had to jump all over it. And in my opinion, I recommend you guys do the same. If this is something you want to get into, if this is a must-have for you, I recommend buying them before it's too late. These are a must-have for your personal collection, a shoe you absolutely need. Don't sleep. Don't wait too long. Do your trades. Sell what you gotta sell and get them, because I definitely see them going up more in price. It's a Grail. It will be expensive Grail. One day, years down the line, they're not done going up. A few years from now, easily over $1,000. And I think right now, they're still gonna go up to around $7,000. So guys, don't sleep. Please, don't sleep on the Orange Lobsters. I know some people have been, and look what's happened to those bigger sizes, guys. They've gone up already. Don't sleep, and don't forget about the Orange Lobster, Nike SB, Dunk, Low. These are fire, straight fire. I love these. They're an absolute must-have. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Follow me on Instagram, DM me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel, Danny Moore 2369, and leave a comment down below in the comments. Let me know your size. Like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Join the Moore family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Orange Lobster Nike SB Dunk Low is fire. Straight fire. Don't sleep. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.